how to add an emoji to your email subject line. It's a quick trick that can help your email stand out in a crowded inbox, whether it's for fun or, a marketing campaign. This one's super handy. So let's get into it. First, open your email client. I'll be using Gmail here, but most email platforms are pretty similar. Click on the Compose button on the left to start a new message. In the new message window, look down at the toolbar. You should see a little smiley face icon. That's your emoji menu. Go ahead and click it. Scroll or use the search bar to find an emoji that fits your email. Maybe a thumbs up, a party popper, or whatever works. Just click the one you want and it'll drop right into the email body. Now, here's the trick to get it into your subject line. Highlight the emoji you just added, then copy it. On Windows, that's Ctrl+C, and on a Mac, it's Command+C. Next, click into the subject line field. Then paste with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. And just like that, your emoji is now part of your subject line. A quick tip here, don't go overboard with emojis. Use them sparingly and think about your audience. They work great for casual or marketing emails, but maybe not for every professional setting. And that's it. You've successfully added an emoji to your email subject line. Super simple, but it makes your messages a lot more eye-catching. Thanks for watching, and yeah, happy emailing.